Hello everybody, welcome to a new Roblox video. So as you can see, I am in Roblox Studio right now. So we will be doing a Roblox Studio scripting tutorial. So we're just going to be doing a basic scripting tutorial about click detectors. And yeah, so I just have a simple, I guess I duplicated that earlier. But I just have a simple door model here. And so it doesn't look boring, I'm just going to duplicate that. And if you don't know how to do that, you can just click this or do Control D. So here we go. And if you don't know how to scale a part like this, just go to these stuff here and you can select scale, and then you can scale your part. So there we go. And if you don't know how to make it so you can move your part smoothly like this and scale it smoothly, just go to model and then change both of these properties here to 0, and then you should be all set. But you also have to go to here to the view tab, and then you have to click on both of these so that you have these stuff here that show up, because you're going to need that. And I'm just going to continue making the door model, so I'm going to mute my mic. Okay, there we go. So I'm back. Sorry if there's some background noise, if you can hear that. I have a pet bird and it's kind of loud, but so I made the door model, and yeah, so I just made a simple door model since I'm just doing a scripting tutorial. And yeah, so I'm just gonna duplicate this part so I can have the closed part and the open part. So I'm just gonna start out with the open part first, and I'm gonna do the closed part. So if you don't know how to change the color of these, just go here, click on the part, and then you can change the brick color and stuff, or just do this, I'm just gonna keep it like this, I guess. It's fine. So now what you have to do once you do that is you have to name your parts so that they're just not all the same name. Oh, there's some lag. Wait. Okay, never mind. So I'm just gonna name this part main. You can name this like door or something like that, but I'm just gonna name it that. And I'm gonna name this open and then close. And here we go. So I name these parts so that I can use that later on stuff. So now I'm just going to insert a script and a click detector. So I'm just going to duplicate this. And if you don't know how to select both of these at the same time, just click click CTRL, the control button, and then you can just select both of these at the same time. I'm just gonna put this in the close part, and then there we go. So I'm just gonna start with scripting. So just delete the print hello world, and I'm gonna start with the scripting now. So local open equals script.Parent, and then local cd, which is a click detector, will be script.Parent.ClickDetector. So that just tells the script where the click detector is and stuff. And I'm just making some variables. It's just a easier way to use stuff in scripting when you need it. stuff like that. So now I'm gonna specify the main part here that we're gonna change some stuff on, like the transparency and the can collide. So I'm gonna do local main part equals game dot workspace dot main. Okay, there we go. So you don't have to name it main part or like CD. You can just name this click detector or like what you want to name it, the variables. So now I'm gonna start with the scripting once I've done the variables. So cd dot mouse click connect function, and make sure you type in the same thing as me if you're doing this tutorial, and then player. So this is basically just the player who clicked on the part, and then it fires like this function. So I'm gonna say main part dot transparency equals 1, and then main part dot can collide equals false. So just to make sure this works, I'm gonna go test it. Just waiting for that to load. Okay, so there we go. And I'm gonna click this, and it works. So as you can see, this doesn't have any scripts yet, so I'm gonna go do that now. So what I'm gonna do is just copy all this, and then I'm gonna go to the close script, just like spam click this or something if you want to open the script, or just go up here, something like that. So just paste that in there, and then once you do that, just change some of this stuff here. So just change this to 0, and then can collide equals true. So now let's test it. So it's loading, and then let's see if it works. So let's open it, and then let's close it. So as you can see, it works fine, and the door maybe it's pretty big, but I didn't really do that. But yeah, you can just make the door like how big you want it. But yeah, so here we go, and it works. So one more thing before I end the tutorial. So I just want to show you one more thing before I end the tutorial. So instead of changing the transparency to fully transparent, you can always just do 0.5 or 0.4 or like those stuff, and then like if you don't want it to be fully transparent, then you can just do that, and then this will happen. So it's not like fully transparent, but as you can see, you can still go through the part. And just to test that, like this, you can see that it works and it's fully functional. So yeah, and then you see that the transparency like changes back to 0, and then 0.5, and then 0, and then 0.5. So yeah, that's the end of this scripting tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, see you in the next YouTube video, I guess. So yeah, bye bye, and have a good day, and stay safe.